Hello, welcome to Crewe Audi. Today we have the Audi SQ5 finished in a Shiraz red. The car has the xenon headlights with the daytime running LEDs, the front headlight washer jets with the front and rear parking sensors with the low front fog lights. As we move round to the side of the vehicle, we have the 20-inch twin-spoke design alloy wheels with the SQ5 brake calipers, chrome on the mirror housing and also the surrounds of the windows with the chrome roof rails, chrome on the tops of the door handles with the full electronic power tailgate with the LED backlights with a quad chrome exhaust. Now this is an Audi used approved vehicle, so you will get the 145-point check, a minimum of 1 year's warranty and a minimum of 1 year's roadside assistance. Moving to the front of the vehicle, the car has the red Alcantara suede on the inside of the door cards with the extended leather with the red stitching, with electronic folding exterior mirrors, electronic SQ5 front sports seats with the SQ5 embossed logo in the leather with the red leather inserts, electronic slide, tilt and four-way lumbar support with the automatic headlights and wipers, and a 3-spoke SQ5 multifunctional steering wheel with cruise control. Technology package with the navigation maps, with dual digital climate control with front heated seats, an S-tronic automatic gearbox with the electronic handbrake with auto hold assist. Now if you'd like any more information on this Audi SQ5, if you'd like to contact us here at Crewe Audi on 01270 50 70 70. Thank you for watching.